We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Dxyiitoo 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth, native 1080p projector, 20,000 lumens, 450-inch display support 4K movie projector. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Dxyiitoo High Brightness Projector is ideal for business meetings and home theaters. This Dxyiitoo business and home projector uses an advanced LED light source, high-quality materials, and exquisite manufacturing technology. It supports 4K and has native 1920x 1080p resolution, 20,000 lumens brightness, and 12,000:1 contrast ratio. The 450-inch large screen provides an exceptional projection picture. The new LED technology and smart eco technology extend the lamp service life to 100,000 hours. The Dxyiitoo 4K video projector offers you a more vivid and clearer picture. 1080p Ultra HD resolution and high brightness. The projector is native 1920x 1080 resolution, equipped with remarkable 20,000 lumens brightness and a high dynamic contrast ratio of 12,000:1. With a 95% NTSC ultra-high color gamut, it can restore more color details and display more realistically. The colors are also more saturated and realistic, providing clearer and more delicate images without downscaling or compression. We ensure to provide the best video experience for you. 2.4G/5G dual-band Wi-Fi and zoom function. Dxyiitoo Wi-Fi projectors support 2.4G Wi-Fi, more stable, wider coverage, better penetration, and supports 5G Wi-Fi, faster and more efficient. It can project or mirror movies, videos, apps, games, and photos on your iOS/Android devices to the big screen at any time. With zoom function, you can easily adjust the screen size from 100% to 75% through the remote control, which is very convenient if you hang the projector from the ceiling. 450-inch giant screen and wide compatibility. The video projector offers the projection size from 39 to 450 inch depending on the distance, and 10 feet is the recommended viewing distance. Equipped with 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, VGA port, AV port, this phone projector easily connects with TV box, Amazon Fire Stick TV, Chromecast, PC, laptop, tablet, external speakers, Xbox, DVD player, USB stick, Android smartphone. Bluetooth 5.2 function and advanced cooling system. Appasing the latest Bluetooth 5.2 chip, Dxyiitoo Bluetooth projector can easily wireless connect your Bluetooth speaker anytime. Built-in 5-watt hi-fi stereo speakers and SSR audio system, Dxyiitoo Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector provides superior sound experience without external speakers. Does a dark conference room always make people sleepy? The Dxyiitoo Full HD video projector can produce quite clear images in low light or even brighter environments. It has wireless Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connections, and multifunctional multimedia connections that provide you to experience an immersive viewing experience anytime, anywhere. Does a small screen always make people feel visually fatigued? The Dxyiitoo projector makes your work more efficient. It provides a 450-inch watching size, provides clearer, brighter, and more colorful images which provide you intoxicating visual enjoyment. Further advancement in technology will make work and life comfortable. Does a slightly delayed game interface always feel dispiriting? No delay in work and life, Dxyiitoo projector brings you the ultimate experience. Whether it is a family gathering, watching a movie, having a party, or watching a football game, or playing games together, you can experience an unparalleled viewing experience. Dxyiitoo projector is the perfect Christmas gift. Your great choice. Enjoy wonderful moments and color your leisure time, just now. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.